Hi there, my name's Al Coates, Mucky Al Coates to the people who already met me. I'm part of the InSpireRide team. Quick bit of background, I got involved in 2013 I think on the Dam Busters charity rides, going out to Germany and organising sort of war memorials and things like that. Probably 2014-15 we got involved with the IBCC, the International Bomber Command Centre, which has become pretty much our leading charity that we've supported ever since. As you know, COVID and all these sort of things, we haven't been able to put the ride on that we'd put on for the previous 2 years. It was going really well, and then we all got sort of lumped into the lockdown situation. It's never been more important to support charitable organisations, especially ones that support, you know, veterans, that promote what people did during the war and things like that. Anybody, especially the biker family, always had a big affiliation with supporting, you know, the charities for military things and stuff like that. It really is important that we can pull something out of the bag this year. So what we've decided to do is kind of an online, offline event where we're going to do a ride to the Inspire, well, that a few of us can do, but we're asking everybody to still pop in their £10 donations. I'll give you the website and stuff in a moment. We're going to send the stickers out as normal, but instead of riding to the IBCC this year, which isn't viable for everybody, depending on restrictions, we're hoping that we're going to send out maps and stuff. People can ride with their own groups, all nice COVID safe, get to their own either Bomber Command, Fighter Command or War Memorials, take some pictures, bit of video footage, and we can share these far and wide. The main thing of this is to raise funds for the IBCC and our motorcycling charities and our war charities. Like I say, it's never been harder. They've had very little, if any, help whatsoever from the government. The website is www.inspireride.org.uk. You can find all the details about this on there and apply, get your stickers and everything and donate on. We're also on Facebook on InSpireRide. Or I'm on Al Coates, Mucky Al Coates on Facebook. If anybody else wants any information, or Power and Motorcycles, give me a ring, everybody else does. It's that busy. So to round up, hopefully it's going to be the 9th of May we're going to try and do this. I promise you it's going to be sunny, I've booked it. So get on the website for us, share it far and wide. The biking community is a great thing for supporting armed forces. You know, brave men and women, everyone to do a Bomber Command and that generation of people. We need to keep the IBCC running so that future generations, my daughter, your sons and daughters, have got somewhere to go to remember these amazing people. £10 a ticket, everything to charity, all as volunteers do it completely. It costs us money to do it, we love it. When the rides start happening back to Germany, you're all welcome. But until then, while we're sort of homebound and stuck here, £10 a bike, sticker in the post, get to your own memorial, send us as much footage as you can, and let's make the best of a bad job. Thanks everybody for watching, take care, ride safe out there. Cheers.